A little basil. I gotta get him in a bigger pot. This plant right here that's already got a pepper on it is a clipping off of that plant from last year. This right here with the yellow leaves, I just Epsom salted with a foliar spray today to fix that yellowing, is a clipping off of that plant from last year. More chives. They ain't thinking about bolting either. The daggone banana pepper plant is just absolutely throwing down. This daggone pepper is huge and ain't even thinking about changing color yet, so I'm letting it grow since ain't no bugs found it yet. Little bell pepper plant, I just did a whole bunch of pruning on it this morning because it was clogged up, didn't have no airflow. But she throwing down too. This sucker's trying to make peppers straight off the base of the stem. I mean, she ain't playing. Yeah, the yellow one, but this is the Epsom salt foliar spray right here. That's gonna fix that yellow one. Little opelio that are sitting up there, eating the bugs and mites or whatever. Apple tree. Pomegranate seedlings. That's a lemon seedling. That's another lemon seedling. That's the only sweet banana pepper I got. The one over there is a hot banana, hotter than any jalapeno. This is an orange bell. And mandibellas. That one's struggling. Time to get them out of these root bound pots. Strawberries. They ain't playing neither. That's a random potato that was thrown out here with some food scraps, and it decided to make a plant, so I said, screw it, I need to mound it up. Rosemary. More strawberries. This onion plant is just absolutely throwing down with babies. Poor little aloe. Some basil. That's a clipping. Those are clippings. They look dead, but they ain't. Brand new leaves. That right there is a brand new leaf that it's just now starting to make. And we got chives. These are more pomegranate seedlings. Time to thin them. Used a mess around here. I've been busy. Pokeweed. A couple of soul scraggling surviving carrots amongst all these weeds over here. And one that just stuck its head out of the dirt like, hey, I'm still here. Little onions, they're about to die back. They'll grow back in the fall. Hell, I don't even know if you can see them. Beets, I've done harvested most of them, but these guys are still producing, so. Radishes, I let them bolt because I love them. I love the flowers, and I also love the little florets they make. Being a member of the same family as broccoli, them little florets are like broccoli with pepper. Wild garlic, it just got done blooming. It's about to drop all those little bulbils. Okra, okra, okra. Sunflowers, I need to clip that one. Green beans, all around them. Whole bunch of more green beans. More green beans and another sunflower. I don't know what this is, but it's a legume of some sort, so it'll fix nitrogen, so I'm letting it grow until it starts trying to climb my plants. Spinach. Spinach didn't do too good. more okras, more green beans, parsley. Looks like I'm not sure what that is. All right, tree. I'm not sure what that is either. Some sort of a weed. One random spinach, two random spinach, green beans, lots of green beans. Green beans, watermelon, more green beans. These are cucumber. Time to get them on a trellis and put some neem oil or something on them for that mildew. Squash, they need a mildew treatment too. Of course, all the nitrogen heavies have green beans around them because that helps. Got clover I'm trying to get to spread out in the footpath. By the end of the summer, this will just be a carpet of clover right here. Again, just like any other legume, it fixes nitrogen, so. A bunch of parsley, some more spinaches. The wind's been wreaking havoc on them, but they'll stand back up on their own. I ain't even messing with them. More sunflowers. This circle didn't do too good, but that's a jalapeno. That's a jalapeno. Jalapenos are the wimpiest hot peppers there are, but I mean, I'll take them. Got some more spinach that's trying to survive. More jalapenos. More jalapenos. Parsley. These two circles didn't do too good, but that's okay, because I'm gonna replant in here. I'll make that a herb circle, since it obviously didn't have enough sunlight for the vegetables. I'm sure it'll do good with herbs. More green beans. That's a common, either a mimosa tree or a common vetch. Either one fixes nitrogen. So scraggling tomato seedlings that just popped up. More green beans. That's a cantaloupe. That's a cantaloupe. These are Better Boy tomatoes. They've been unearthed and replanted deeper twice so far. This is a Roma tomato. Only reason the leaves look like that is because I had to slack off the watering because I made it grow too fast. That's why it's got these high ribs and droops. So I'm having to intentionally underwater it to let its cell structure catch up with its growth. That's another green bean with a random Better Boy I just noticed underneath it. And down here, this is pintos and limas. Planted all in here. Those are sunflowers, green bean, random tomato scraggler, and limas and pintos planted down there. Yep, a little confused little garden, but it's doing its thing, slowly but surely. And that's a whole bunch of basil seedlings. The random ragweed. And a random chickweed, it looks like. But that's alright, that's edible too. It's good for salad. I'll have to put some neem oil or something on it too. Yep. There's another random volunteer legume. It's doing its thing though.